Tired of important announcements getting lost in the WhatsApp group chat abyss? I'm going to show you how to pin a message on WhatsApp group so everyone sees those need talk no updates. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp group where you want to pin a message. I'm using my group chat for my weekly book club as an example. Now, locate the message you want to pin. This could be a date for an event, an important link, or any crucial information. Press and hold the message. This will bring up a menu of options. Look for the pin option in the menu that appears. It usually looks like a little push pin icon. Tap on pin. Next, WhatsApp will ask you for how long you want to pin this message. You'll typically see options like 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Choose the duration that best suits your needs. For time-sensitive information, 24 hours may suffice, while more permanent announcements might warrant a longer duration. For this video, I'm selecting 7 days. And that's it. The message is now pinned at the top of the group chat. All members will see it immediately when they open the group, regardless of how many new messages have been sent. It even shows how long the message will be pinned for. Tapping on the pinned message will take you directly to the original message within the chat, providing context. To unpin a message, simply tap and hold on the pinned message at the top of the chat, then select unpin. The message will no longer be highlighted at the top. Now you know how to keep everyone informed and on the same page. No more excuses for missed announcements. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Happy chatting!